Managing users in Umbraco. The Users section is where you manage Umbraco users who can log into your website and make changes. It's best to give people their own logins to manage a site so that you can better track down who makes changes and sets permissions. Creating a new user. To create a new user, right-click on Users and click Create. Enter the new user's login name and email address and click Create. Your new user has been added, and now you can edit properties for this user. You can now set the user password, select the user type from the drop-down list, and select the appropriate language. By default, the language is set to English UK. You can now set the user password, select the user type from the drop-down list, and select the appropriate language. By default, the language is set to English. The Start node in Content is where you can change what starting level the new user can see in the Content section. This is a content picker, which you choose to change where they are allowed to start viewing content or leave it at Content, which is a default setting to see everything. The Start node in the Media library is the same thing, but applicable to the Media section. You can choose to leave this as the default Everything Media, or choose a specific folder that this person has access to. The Sections is where you pick which Umbraco sections this user will have permission to change. Managing members in Umbraco. The Members section in Umbraco is built in for developers to utilize when your site requires use of members. Depending on your site's needs, the Members portal may not be necessary for managing your site. The functionality provided here is similar to the Users section, only the members do not have access to Umbraco. This section is to manage members for the front end of your website that allows people to have accounts. For more information on this section, please contact your web developer.